Wisconsin, but that's why they're banning swimming right now along the beaches in the Chicago area. So it's called a SACE. We'll keep a close eye on that, see what happens. This is in 3 dimensions. This storm has grown considerably in the last couple of minutes, the one that's sitting over Washington County as well as Ozaukee County. That's why you have the warning there. Lots of lightning around. Now, the good thing is, we get rid of this just in time for all the holiday celebrations. This cold front is going to be a relief maker. For those of you that don't like the humidity that we have out there right now, it's going to bring in a rush of cool air and much, much drier air. Here's what we're talking about. Still 81 degrees in Milwaukee. Now, the real key is the dew points. In the 40s and 50s on, here's your cold front. Lines up right in here. And when your dew points drop down to 60, which will happen later on tonight across most of southeastern Wisconsin, it will get much, much cooler. If you're heading down to Summerfest tonight, one, have the umbrella, but also have a jacket because the temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly after that front goes through. So this evening, 75 degrees, scattered showers, thunderstorms. Some of those could be severe, like they are right now into parts of Washington and Ozaukee County, where, again, that warning goes until 7:15 tonight. Southwesterly winds becoming northwesterly at 10 to 20. Overnight, clearing, much, much cooler, down to 56 degrees, and the dew point temperature dropping out of the 70s where it is right now, all the way down into the upper 40s to around 50. Absolutely beautiful for Thursday. This time of year, 69 degrees. That's pretty chilly. 74 degrees on the 4th of July. You probably couldn't ask for much more than that. And a great stretch of weather. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be absolutely beautiful. A gradual warm-up up to 82 degrees on Sunday. Chance of thunderstorms on Monday, 85, 77 on Tuesday, 76 on Wednesday. Again, severe thunderstorm warning for Washington, southern Ozaukee County. That goes until 7:15. We'll keep a close eye.
Fireworks and football, too. That's for sure. Firewatch back on.
Yeah, he's not going quietly, is he? Brett Favre making a comeback. Well, the talk is getting louder and louder. What are the chances? Favre's family's reaction and a live report from Green Bay next in Big 12 Sports. You're watching WI.